Say your, I'm saying your name. I'm saying your name, I say your name because that's what I like to do. Like to do. I'm saying it all the name, but all the people that just coming on through. Come through. I'm gonna say your name, I'm gonna say it in the order you came. You came up in my life, so I'm over here, I'm saying your name. Your name. In the Cabernet garden, do you know that I'm saying your name? Say your name. Got a destiny forever, walk a PhD, I'm saying your name. Your name. Got the killer Wilkinson, do you know they say his name is Chris? It's Chris. Got the Stony Homestead order, yes, I'm saying your name on this. On this. Send a C.L. Browner, do you know that I would say your name? I say your name. Got the Leo Pride, do you know we deeper down in this game? This game. Send a Miss Aisha, do you know I will talk about you? Oh, you. Send I'm over here to say your name and we keeping it true. It's true. I say your name. Say your name, I say your name today. Stay here today. Say your name, I say your name. Say your name and hear my way. Send I hear my way. Send I'm over here today. You know I'm over here to go to say your name. To say your name. Send everybody coming in the house. I'm showing love today. To here today. Then a life with the Sharia. Oh yes, I'm gonna say your name. I say your name. Then everybody, do you know that 75 hard in the game? The game. Then the Bluetooth, I'm over here. I'm here to just to talk about you. About you. So I'm gonna say your name and you know that I keeping it true. I keep it true. Send a queen after me, that do you know that I'm saying your name? I say your name. So to thanking you for coming, show some love over here today. They're here today. Send the should Tika Woods, I'm over just to say your name. I say your name. Everybody, do you know I'm over here to when I'm saying your name? Your name. I say your name. I say name, I say your name, but here today, I say your name, I say name, I say your name, but it's name. Then the autumn tucker, I'm over here to just to go and say your name today, say your name today. The Brandon Lane is over here today, I'm here to just to say your name away, to hear my way. Sharina Black is in house, you know I'm gonna go and say your name today. Say your name today. So leader Jenna Bunny over here, and I'm over here to say your name away. Your name your way. Then a Decima Harvey, everybody, do you know I'm gonna say your name? I say your name. Got the Mr. T, the Wizard T, I'm over here today to when I say your name. I say your name. 10 and 17 of people showing love, so I'm here to say your name. I say your name. When I started from the top, I worked my way to the bottom, saying names. I say your name. Saying it in the name. I'm saying your name. I'm saying the name. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, saying names. I'm saying your names. I'm saying your name. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So let's go from the top. We going to the top. Some people's over here today. I know they window shop. I'm saying your name from the top. I'm working way, way down. But still I'm over here today. I'm saying your name now. So can't relate that God change. Oh yes, I say about you. So destiny forever wall. PAD is so true. But still I say your next day. But today I say I shine. But still if I shine, that means you gonna shine with rhyme. But still I say that kid no work and sin, I say that name. Some people's over here today. You know so I say that name. Just don't it home instead, I say your name, I say that be. Some other people's over here, we hang up in that street. I say you on that bud, that bud is that word. That word is over here today, I could have been a third. But still I'm over here today, so that is my word. But still I'm over here today, I'm saying your name a word. So C.L. Brown, can I go and say your name? I say your name over here, we deep up in the game. My buddy over in the GA, so what we say? I see you over there today, you wanna say. You over there on the podcast, you keep it real. Some people's over here today, I keep it ill. You say you over there and you holding it down. I'm saying your name, everybody get on down. I say your name, I say name, I say your name. So when I say your name, I say your name, I say your name, I say your name. So when I say your name, so now that I see that everybody I say, so when I'm here to just to say your name. Some other people holding it up, they holding down the when I'm over just to say your name. So when I say your name over here today, I want to say that everybody's name. So now I gotta start it over here again. So when I wanna say your name, Santa Lee, old Robert, I will say your name. I say your name when I'm on that beat. Samus, I be sure I will say your name, but now I say that down my own in it. I said that life was with the sherry, y'all. Oh yes, the cherry was. I said you gonna do it up so good. Said I'm saying your name over here today. Some people saying that I wishing they would. I said the blues, I say your name. To name as I say. Oh yes, you over there, you keeping it real. Got the queen of Academia over there today. You need to go and check out her skill. We got Shatika was over here. She going love. She going love to the everyone. Got the auto tuggle over there, the double the queen. Oh yes, you better go and get you some. I seen the Brian Reynolds over there, he doing what he do. He also working out the when it's cold. We got the tickles, I'm over here when I'm holding down. What did I say? I'm rocking the world. I'm doing what I want to do, you doing what you do. Still I'm when I keeping it right. So everybody keep it up, you know we over here. I say you know that they be keeping it tight. Saying that Brian Lane, I'm over here. Oh yes, I'm over there. But still I'm over here to say your name. Sharina Black is over there. She's over here. So now I'm over here to say your name. Says she fabulous, a tall drink, that water today. She also is a minor buddy from too. Now I'm over here, we talk now to all these names, and I'm coming over here for you. Santa Lita Jordan Bonte, I say your name, I say your name, and when I'm up on that beat. Santa Dirty Mother Harmony, you hanging it now, so thank you been a number here for me. I got the Mr. Tita with the T, oh yes, with the T, oh yes, she's over there in that cold. Over there, they on that passing, and you know how we roll, and you know I wanna see y'all some more. I say your name, I say your name today, I say your name, I say your name away, I say your name, I say your name today, I say your name, I say your name away, I say your name, I say your name today, I say your name, I say your name away, I say your name. I say your name today. I say your name. I say your name my way.